yearly, annually, we celebrate this AYD, Archdiocesan Youth Day, where Saray Kabataan, Saray Kalanguran, and Archdiocese of Lingayen Dagupan gather together to journey with Jesus. And part of the journey is also sa may pakananganganda di paakar at say ingkasikara. Aya sa AYD, especially sa may World Youth Day, you are called to change. Imbagat an introduction, you are the church now. You are not the future. Sa future, kung sabi nila ba, pero sa karaklan na simbahan natin, sa karaklan niya uunlad simbahan natin, sa karaklan niya manaakib ang simbahan natin, is you. So you are the church. You are the church now, not the future. Si kayo so present church. If this is the situation, no si katuya sa kultura tayo natin, ang tusugawan nyo, there is a need for you and for all of us to change this culture. Pero akin, at mahirap sumanbago. Diba? Mahirap sumanbago. Why? There are several reasons. Una-unahan, nakasanayan nyo na. It has been long that you have been doing it. Diba? Lanang lata. Ang gapo mo sumanggagawa. Diba? Learn from these two questions. May two questions sa meditation ninyo. Una, what did Jesus do to you? Ano na ang mga ginawa ng Diyos sa iyo? Una yun. Ano yung mga ginawa ng Diyos sa iyo? For the past 18 years, for the past 17, 15, 14 years in your life, ano na ang ginawa ng Diyos sa iyo? At pangalawa, what should you do for Jesus? Ano ang dapat mong gawin para kay Jesus? If you can answer these questions, it is because you have Mary with you. Learn from her. She has changed her life because of her fiat to Jesus, that she lived according to the word of Jesus.